So let's go ahead and open up the package. This is the Crenova, the trail camera. It's got 20 pixel, 1080p, IP66 waterproof, a .02 trigger speed at a 120 degree angle. Here is the side of the box. So let's just go ahead, and on the other side it has your image sensor, image resolutions, video resolution, lens, PIR direct range, LED trigger speed, PIR stand by stand, operation temperature, and it is waterproof. So let's just go ahead and open up the box and I'll show you everything that comes in this box. First off, you get your card if you are satisfied or dissatisfied. You can share to receive a special gift and how to get it. Right here is your user manual. This is how to tell you to set it up, how to use the features, the image resolution, using the external power source. So let's just go ahead and put the camera to a side so I can show you everything in the bottom of this box, all the accessories it comes with. First off, you get your USB charging cable. You get your strap. You get your mounting screws. Right here you get your little tripod stand. And here is your stand cover. And then you get a little tool to put those stuff together. Alright, so we're just going to get to the camera now. Okay, and here is the big surprise, what this camera looks like. This is a hunting camera. As you can see, it is camouflaged. It has 4 front small cameras, and then you've got one big one at the top. And right here is your little fastening clips to get into the camera portion. So we're just going to go ahead and open that up. And right here is all your settings, your menu, your replay, your shot, and your OK button. Okay, down at the bottom, this is where you can add your micro SD card, your charger for your USB port. Here's your on and off and test switch. And on the right hand side, behind this little notification plaque, that is where you will put your batteries in, on the back of this panel right here. This does take AA batteries. So this is what it looks like from the back end. Here is the side look. The bottom, this takes a 6V power volt. So this is what it overall looks like.